This 2016 Audi S7 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. 2016 Audi S74, 0L V8 engine, 450 horsepower, 406 lb-ft of torque, 7-speed S-tronic transmission, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation system, rear view camera, front parking assist, heated front seats, memory front seat, heated rear seat, steering column mounted gear shift paddles, power rear trunk opener, keyless and tri-keyless start, heated exterior mirrors, automatic power windows, power folding mirrors, Daytona Grey Curl effect, exterior black leather interior, vehicle comes with floor mats, owner's manual. Please feel free to call us 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2016 Audi S7 is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and pricing, on occasion mistakes can happen. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.